Have you ever wondered why modern 2D platformers feel so smooth and responsive? Games like Hollow Knight, Celeste, and Ori don't use those basic movement systems you usually see in beginner tutorials, because professional platformer controllers are much more advanced. Things like acceleration, variable gravity, apex hang time, coyote time, jump buffering, slope handling, smooth wall slides, and ledge mechanics all works together to create that polished responsive game feel. So, inspired by modern professional platformers, I created the Pro Modular 2D controller for Unity. A fully modular platformer controller designed to easy to set up, highly customizable, and packed with advanced movement features right out of the box. And the best part is, every single system is modular and easy to customize directly from the inspector. You can tweak movement acceleration, jump behavior, dash physics, wall slide smoothness, LED settings, and much more without digging through complicated code. Now, let's quickly compare how this controller feels against basic system most tutorials usually teach. First, here is a simple tutorial style controller. It works, but the movement feels stiff, floaty, and like the polished modular platformers usually have. Now, compare that with Pro 2D controller. Movement feels smooth, jump feels responsive, slope behavior naturally, and advanced mechanics like apex hang time, jump buffering, and ledge climbing instantly make the game feel more polished and satisfying. The controller also includes advanced systems that usually missing from most beginner controllers. Features like variable jump height, fall multiplier, coyote time, dash freeze frames, smooth wall sliding, slope aware movement, and the brand new ledge hang and ledge climbing system all built directly into the controller. And because everything is modular, you can easily enable, disable, or customize mechanics depending on your game style. Whether you are building fast-paced precious platformer, a Metroidvania, or polished prototype, the controller is designed to give you responsive modern platform movement right from the start. To make setup and debugging easier, the package also includes polished customized inspector workflow with built-in warnings, debug visual tools, and adjustable modular settings directly inside Unity. A full demo scene is included as well, showcasing every mechanics from movement and jump to wall interactions, slopes, and ledge climbing. The assets also come with complete GitBook documentation covering installation steps, setup instructions, module explanations, troubleshooting, and support guides to help you get started quickly. So, instead of spending weeks rebuilding advanced platformer system from scratch, you can start with professional foundation and focus what actually matters, building your game. If you want to use Pro Modular 2D controller in your own project, you can grab it right now on itch.io. The links in description. And if you enjoy building polished gameplay system and want to support the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I will creating more advanced Unity tools and gameplay systems like this in future. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.